Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about how you can set up Snapchat pixel using Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager is a popular tool built by Google that you can use to set up conversion tracking on your website and do tag management basically. So Google Tag Manager will save you the stress of having to always contact the developer to help you set up conversion tracking tags on your website and all. So that's the essence of Google Tag Manager. The first step in this video is for you to put Google Tag Manager on your website. I have a video on how you can set up a Google Tag Manager account and how you can put it on your website basically. So we will not cover that. So that is the first thing you need to do. So I will attach a video to that. So once you have Google Tag Manager on your website already, so this is the website we'll be working with. I already have Google Tag Manager on this website, but I don't have a Snapchat pixel on this website, and I want to set up Snapchat pixel on this my website using Google Tag Manager. If we come to this place, you will see this pixel helper. It is called Snapchat pixel helper, just like Facebook pixel helper, so just like the Meta pixel helper. The Snapchat pixel helper will help you debug if there is a pixel on your website or not. You will see that this is empty. So let's go to the first thing to do. So this is the dashboard of my Snapchat Ads Manager. So go to your Snapchat Ads Manager, just like Facebook Ads Manager. Navigate to this place and you see under Asset, you see Events Manager. Under Event Manager, you see set up Snapchat pixel. So once you do this, you come here and put in your website. Put in your website to check. So let's wait for it to. So can you see? So the next thing you need to do now is to set up web event. So you won't select conversion API, you select Snapchat pixel. So let's select Snapchat pixel and click on next. So you say set up web and manual integration. So let me. So what I will do next is to just click on manual setup. If I click on manual setup, I'm going to generate this. So the next thing I need to do next, you don't need to do anything here. Just leave this as page view. Page view is recommended. If you want to use view content, I will not use it. So, but this page view is recommended. So sign up, purchase, add to cart. If you are an e-commerce business, I'm going to leave all these the way they are. Then I'll click on next. So just like the way Facebook will ask you for event parameter, price. So this, they've already ticked the ones that are very, very important. So, but if you have other ones, other informations you want to collect, you can just collect. You can add first name and last name there. If you want to collect first name and last name data, you come to page view and you select first name and last name. If you come to purchase also, you can say you want to user parameters that you want to collect first name and last name. So the next thing you need to do is to click on finish. So once you click on finish, you are not doing anything here. If you are copying the pixel code, can you see This pixel code is a snippet JavaScript that's added to the header section of your website after installing the base code. You can use our pixel setup tool. So you can also email the instruction to your web developer in this case, but I'm not going to do that. That is the reason why we have Google Tag Manager. The next thing I will do now is to just click on finish. Then so once I do finish now, I will come back to this place. Then I will come back to this. This is what I need. This my ID. So that's what I need now. It's my ID. So let's go back to Event Manager. We click on Pixel. Let's click on Pixels. So I'll click on Pixel. So these are all the pixels that I have. So this is the one we just created. So look at the one you just created. So this is the ID that we need. This is basically the ID you need, basically, to set it up. So let's go to setup pixel. So let's go back to our event manager and see the pixel that we need. So this is the pixel that we need. So the next thing you need to do now is to go to Google Tag Manager. Go back to your Google Tag Manager. So once you go back, like I said earlier, the first step is for you to install Google Tag Manager on your website, which I've covered. So once you do that, once you come back to Google Tag Manager, come to templates. If you come to templates, go to search gallery and type Snapchat. Type Snapchat. So can you see Snapchat pixel there? So you are to add this to your workspace. So once you add this to your workspace, click on add to workspace, then click on add for it to be added to your workspace. So once you do that, the next thing you need to do is to go to tags here. Once you go to tag, click on new tag. You give your tag a name, let's say Snapchat pixel. Then go to tag configuration. So once you click on tag configuration, you scroll down, then you see the Snapchat pixel that you just added to your workspace. You select Snapchat pixel, then you copy the ID. Like I said, it is the ID you need. So you come back here and copy your ID. So I think this is our ID. So I think this is the right ID. So this is the ID that we need. So just copy this your ID. Copy this ID. So let's copy this ID. Then we'll come to Google Tag Manager. Once you come to Google Tag Manager, you won't just copy and paste this ID here. If you copy and paste this ID here, it will work. But if you want to set up events, if you come to this event type now, you can set up purchase, you can set up add to cart, you can set up subscribe now and all these things here. You can, but you have to be copying the pixel ID for every event you set up for your Snapchat, for your Snapchat ad. So what you will do is to create a constant, so that the constant will be applicable to anything Snapchat on your platform. So what you will do is to click on this plus button. If you click on this plus button, come to built-in and select this plus button, and you give it a name. Give your variable a name. You are creating a variable. So that's what we are doing. So you can give it Snapchat constant. Give it Snapchat constant. Then you scroll down. You select variable configuration. Then you scroll down. You see constants. You see constants here under utilities. Select constant and paste your pixel ID inside the constant. The next thing you need to do is to click on save. Once you click on save, you scroll down, leave this as page view. Page view is the default event for tag managers for any pixel. Page view is a default event for any pixel rather. So once you leave this as it is as event type, scroll down, and we are not working with any of these. We are not working with transaction ID, numbers of item categories and the likes. So you come to tick green, then you select all pages here. Select all pages. Once you do that, you click on save. So once you save this, it means we have been able to set up Snapchat Pixel on our website using Google Tag Manager. But we need to preview this if it is working or not. So what you need to do is to go to preview mode, then you put in your website. Let's put in our website to verify our preview mode, to check if the Snapchat Pixel we just set up is working perfectly. So what I will do is to just connect it. So connect your preview mode and see if it is working or not. So let's go back to our tag assistant is connected. So let's go back to this. So it's saying that no Google tag is found on this website, and we have Google tag on our website already. We have Google tag on our website. So why is it saying no Google tag on our website? So let's go back to this website and refresh this page to check if this pixel. Let's go back to Google Tag Manager and publish. Let's publish this for it to go live if the preview mode is not working. So I'll name this Snapchat Pixel. Then I'll say you can give your version description, Snapchat Pixel setup. Then you publish this. What you are supposed to do is to preview it first and check if the Snapchat Pixel is on our website. But since it is telling me there's no Google Tag Manager on my website and there is, what I will do now is to refresh this website. Since I've published it, then I will check if the Snapchat Pixel is installed properly on my website. So this is telling me that there's no Snapchat Pixel on our website. So in this kind of case, what you will do is to preview if there's Google Tag Manager on your website. So because I've already set up the Google Tag Manager, so I will use this tool to do that. So I will use this tool to do that. So I will use this tool to check. This tool is called Google Tag Assistant Legacy. So once I use this tool will show me all the tags that are on this website. So the next thing I need to do is to cancel it, then refresh my website. So it will show me all the tags on my website. So this is telling me that I only have Google Ads remarketing tag on my website. So there is no Google Tag Manager on my website. So which I think there is. So what I will do is to just put Google Tag Manager on my website. This is the Google Tag Manager code that I need to put on my website. So I'll go back to the back end of my website now, go to dashboard, right? If I go to dashboard now, I have a plugin that I will use to put Google Tag Manager on my website. So if you are not using this plugin, if you don't have access to this website, you will just send this code to your web developer. So that's what you will do. You just send this code to your web developer. But since I have access to the back end of my website, which is a WordPress website, I will use this plugin called HFCM. So I'll go to add new to add a new snippet. If I go to add new to add a new snippet, I'll give my snippet a name called Google Tag Manager. So I'll name it Google Tag Manager header. Then I will leave the snippet type to be HTML. The site display should be site-wide. Then the location should be header. So I will display device should be show on all device and the status should be active. So I'll come back here and I'll copy this. Once I copy this, I'll scroll down, then paste this here and click on save. So that's the first code that I need to put on my website. So I will go back again. Let me scroll down and confirm. Okay, I'll go back again and go to add new. If I come to add new again, I'll add a new snippet because I have two code. This one is going, can you see the instruction? Paste this code as high in the head of the page as possible. So this one will paste this code immediately after the opening body. So I'll copy this, then go back to my website. I'll give this Google Tag Manager body, then snippet type HTML, site display site-wide. So since there is no footer here, since there is no body here, I'll leave this location to be header also. Then I'll paste this code on snippets and code here. Just paste it there. Then I'll select save to save the snippet on my website. So the next thing I need to do is to verify if this pixel is on my website. So let me go to so once I refresh this website now, let's view the tags on this website. So can you now see now I now have Google Tag Manager on this my website. So and can you see now that there is a pixel detected on this my Snapchat pixel is now detected on my website. If I click on this drop down now, can you see the URL? Can you see the page URL? So let's copy this page URL and open it. If I open it now, can you see it's the same thing as my website? So that's how you can do it. If you come back to this website now, you can see with the Snapchat pixel helper. Can you see the Snapchat pixel helper with the Snapchat pixel helper? This is the Snapchat pixel helper. Can you see with the Snapchat pixel helper now, we can now detect that the Snapchat pixel we set up on our website using Google Tag Manager is now functioning properly, is now working perfectly. So like I said, the first step for you to do this is to put Google Tag Manager on your website first. Once you put Google Tag Manager on your website, go to your Snapchat Ads Manager, set up your Snapchat pixel and generate the Snapchat ID and follow the steps I've shown you in this video. So if you come to this place now, you will see Snapchat pixel helper. So can you see Snapchat pixel has access to this site? It is also showing me that Facebook pixel is also found on this my website. Can you see? It is the same URL as this. It is that easy. If you have any question concerning this video, I will encourage you to drop the questions in the comment section. I'm going to provide any clarifications to your questions. And if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you to do that. Like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.